Now I added a new input field called last name. See, first name and last name. This is just to show you the difference between two attributes called read only and disabled. But at first we'll see how read only works. Read only you can't change any value, but here you're able to change a value. Still, let me try to give a value here. Just gave John. Now this is John, but I'm not able to change John's value. Okay, here I'm able to change because it has no other attribute. Now I'm gonna do a disabled attribute. Let's see what happens. Now you have a John and Carpenter. The only difference is I'm here, the focus is here. John's value can't be changed, Carpenter's value can't be changed, but the only difference is I could focus this text box. I'm pressing a tab, and when I do a tab, it went to Boston. It didn't go here because it is skipped. Because this is a disabled input. Now for every tab would go there. I'm giving a shift tab is to go to the previous item. So I'm going to Boston and then to John. So this is completely skipped. So that's the difference between read only and disabled. So in both you can't change the values.